Welcome to Vision Academy, Daily Current Affairs in English. Date June 25th, 2021. Let's start with international news. Colombia has the world's largest variety of butterfly species. Colombia is home to the world's largest variety of butterflies, approximately 20% of all known species, according to the study published by the Natural History Museum in London. More than 200 butterfly species are found only in Colombia. Next, Armenian Prime Minister Nikol Pashinyan's party won the majority in the snap parliamentary election with 53.9% of the vote, as per official result declared on June 21, 2021. National news. The Sports Minister of Mizoram has announced a cash incentive of rupees 1 lakh for parents having maximum number of children in Asawal East 2 Assembly Constituency. This announcement was made earlier on Father's Day on the backdrop of increasing infertility and decreasing growth rate in the district. Contrary to this news, State of Assam announced a childbirth restriction, only 2 children allowed per parent. Shri Vishwanath Pratap Singh, in short VP Singh, birthday falls on June 25th. He was the ex-Prime Minister of India. His tenure was December 2nd, 1989 to November 10, 1990. He born on June 25th, 1931 at Allahabad. Shri VP Singh, appointed by the Indira Gandhi as the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh in 1980. In the Rajiv Gandhi ministry, Singh was given various cabinet posts including Minister of Finance and Minister of Defence. Singh was also served as a leader of Rajya Sabha from 1984 to 1987. In the 1989 election, the National Front Party with the support of BJP formed the government and Singh became the 7th Prime Minister of India. During his tenure as Prime Minister, he implemented the Mandal Commission report for India's backward castes, which led to the major protest against the act. He also created the 62nd Amendment and enacted the Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribe Act in 1989. The BJP withdrew its support for the National Front and his government lost the vote of no confidence. Singh resigned on 7th November 1990. His prime ministerial tenure lasted for 343 days. Kerala plans to remove vote that discriminate against women from school textbooks. Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan announced that textbook will be rewritten to remove phrases that are derogatory to women, following a growth in the proportion of reported dowry-related violence cases in the state. The world's first exclusive green rating system for high-speed rail has been launched. This initiative was launched by Indian Green Building Council in collaboration with National High Speed Rail Corporation. The objective of this green rating is to ensure environmental sustainability while enhancing computer experience, also to digitalize the railways. German agrochemical major Bayer has commercially launched the first ever yellow watermelon variety called Yellow Gold 48 in India under Siminis brand. The yellow watermelon variety has been commercially introduced in India following 2 years of local trial. With this variety called Yellow Gold 48, watermelon growers can benefit from enhanced yield potential, better disease control and pest tolerance and high returns. Prime Minister Modi interacts with Toyclathon 2021 participants through video conference. 3-day Toyclathon grand finale, which is being held from June 22nd to June 24th. Toyclathon 2021 was jointly launched by the Ministry of Education, Ministry of Women and Child, MISME Ministry, Ministry of Textile Ministry, Ministry of Industrial Development. Prime Minister Narendra Modi says India imports 80 to 85% of it annually, worth $1.5 million toy market. Techlathon 2021 is aimed at boosting the toy industry in India to help it capture a wide share of the toy market. Awards. The Cochin International Airport Limited won the Excellence Honor for Airport Service Quality Award. This award was given by Airport Council International's Director General. Those airports which have consistently delivered excellent services in the Airport Service Quality Survey, in the opinion of the passenger, or provided with the role of excellence recognition by ACI. Expected question. Question number 1. Who is the newly appointed Prime Minister in Armenia country? Option A, Nicole Pashinyan. Option B, Bentley. Option C, Nicholas Norman. Option D, Boris Johnson. Answer, Nicole Pashinyan. Question number 2. Which Indian state has announced a rupees 1 lakh incentive for parent having maximum number of children? Option A, Meghalaya. Option B, Mizoram. Option C, Assam. Option D, Tripura. Answer, Mizoram. Question number 3. Which Indian state plans to remove word that discriminating against women from school textbooks? Option A, Andhra Pradesh. Option B, Tamil Nadu. Option C, Kerala. Option D, Karnataka. Answer, Kerala. Question number 4. Who was the 7th Prime Minister of India? Option A, Charan Singh. Option B, VP Singh. Option C, Rajiv Gandhi. Option D, Indira Gandhi. Answer, VP Singh. Question number 5. How many percent of reservation for OBC people reported by Mandal Commission? Option A, 27%. Option B, 24%. Option C, 26%. Option D, 23%. Answer, 27%. Question number 6. Which Indian international airport awarded with excellent services? Option A, Delhi International Airport. Option B, Chennai International Airport. Option C, Cochin International Airport. Option D, Jaipur International Airport. Answer, Cochin International Airport. Question number 7. Which country developed the initiative of green rating system for high speed rail? Option A, Japan. Option B, India. Option C, America. Option D, Bangladesh. Answer, India. Question number 8. Name the new watermelon variety introduced in India. Option A, Yellow Gold 89. Option B, Yellow Gold 48. Option C, Yellow Gold 78. Option D, Yellow Gold 24. Answer, Yellow Gold 48. Question number 9. How many percent of toy imported by India every year? Option A, 40%. Option B, 90%. Option C, 60%. Option D, 80%. Answer, 80%. Question number 10. Which country has the world's largest variety of butterflies? Option A, Venezuela. Option B, Australia. Option C, Guatemala. Option D, Colombia. Answer, Colombia. For the daily current affairs updates, subscribe to Vision Academy YouTube channel. For the regular notification, press the bell icon without fail. Thank you.